Hey folks, radar a whole lot quieter today than it was yesterday. Satellite, same thing. Not many clouds out there today. Much less moisture in the atmosphere. Not much to work with. So even with the sea breeze kicking in, it just wasn't able to trigger anything. And tonight should stay quiet as well. And we head into tomorrow, Thursday, by midday, just patchy clouds. See, that's the sea breeze trying, but there's just no moisture. So you don't see much. It tries to pop and then it goes away. Friday, some indications are there might be a little more moisture. Again, here's the sea breeze, but whether or not we get a shower out of it's tough to say at this point. We're going maybe about a 10% probability of a shower Friday. And again, on Saturday, it's a vast majority of the area stays dry, but a brief shower, a possibility as a little bit of moisture works its way into our region. And it's just here for a day or two and then it's gone again. So just that slight chance is all we have. These are the temperatures right now. 95 in Rio Grande City, McAllen and Edinburgh both at 96. It's 90 in Harlingen, 88 in Port Isabel at this hour. Overnight tonight, temperatures are going to bottom out in the mid to upper 70s once again. It'll be humid across the area. Then tomorrow, right back up in the mid to upper 90s, 99 in Rio Grande City tomorrow afternoon. McAllen and Edinburgh at 97, bunch of 96s, and then Brownsville 94. The island topping out between 88 and 90. The normal high for this time of year is 95. It's working its way up. It'll be 96 by the end of the month. And that's where we'll be tomorrow is 96 and then back to normal for Friday and Saturday. So moisture out in the northern Gulf that's going to continue slowly pressing westward. And that's why we're keeping that slight possibility of a shower in there Friday and Saturday. Nothing tomorrow, but notice on Friday you see a little blip of green show up. There it is. Not much, but a little bit. And same thing on Saturday, maybe a little blip, but not much. Sea breeze tries to come to life and trigger a shower or two, but nothing like even yesterday. I think a much quieter day than that. A couple of folks may pick up a shower, but for the most part, it's dry. Speaking of the tropics, we've still got Chris off the east coast working to the northeast. It'll stay away. The remnants of Beryl has still a 50% chance of developing the next 2 to 5 days, but it's going to kind of follow the path of Chris and stay off the east coast of the U.S. We'll track Chris for you. The wind's right now 90 miles per hour, moving to the northeast at about 25, so it's already on that racetrack out into the North Atlantic where it will be all the way into the weekend. And by Sunday, this is it down here in the corner, the remnant of it near Iceland. You don't often think about tropical systems near Iceland, do you? But that's where this will end up by the time we get to the end of the weekend. That is Chris, which will be falling apart by that time, but still a remnant low. At our coast, winds out of the south, the southeast at 15 to 20 knots. The bay has a moderate chop. The UV is extreme. The bay temperature is 85. The surf's 82. Be a warm day at the coast. There are the three tides. The first was tonight. So tonight across the valley, 75 for a low, mainly clear, warm and humid, southeast winds. Then tomorrow back to 96, plenty of sunshine, a bit of a breeze, just a light breeze, southeast about 10 to 18. Here we go, 96 and then a couple of 95s, and then we do warm it up. By Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, back in the upper 90s once again. We're looking again at about a 10% probability of a shower Friday and Saturday, so most, if not all areas are dry. And then starting Sunday, a little dust gets mixed in from Africa, and that keeps us breezy and hot. We'll talk more about that dust coming up in the next half hour. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.